Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus. Train your brain. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about focus and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.